So what you need to do is this one. Magre-record ka
Mm.
for GE. So like how you did for IELTS, you will tailor
Mm.
fit the recording for GE naman. So you won't say about IELTS speaking test. It's more of your experience in
Mm.
maybe in the call center, something that you were exposed with speaking with native speakers for X amount of time, then on. So
Mm.
you will be able to help your student to do presentations or anything that you can. It'll be your strength to introduce yourself to your students. So basically, make it sound like you're speaking with them. Hi, students. So I'm a partner English teacher, a general English teacher at Partner English. So I'll be able to help you to do your presentations or your speeches, whatever it is that you can help them with. Ganun. Okay? What's your teaching style? How do you teach them? It's very supportive environment. Ganun. So
Okay
make it
ka.
sound natural and sincere, like you're speaking with them. Okay? So of course you need to formulate your script first. Has to be at least a minute.
1
Okay?
minute, okay po.
Next would be I need to fill this up, the tracker for you. So it's under GE features. I need some your teaching style, tapos this is the breakdown of anong ilalagay mo sa work experience. Kasi yung work experience, yung strength, it will start with educational background, tapos how your past work can help you in your GE teaching, ganon. So merong example nito dito. Naka-breakdown siya. Yan o. Sa strength, mag-start ka ng educational experience, working experience, teaching ability. So ito yung pinaka outline. Tapos this is the strength and merong teaching style. So andito siya sa task card, GE features for teachers. Okay, so GE teacher, ano yan, mga description about you yan. Tapos of course, this is your introduction. Yes. So I think I need your in as much as here merong major in education. So if you want, i-fill up mo na lang dito. Pwede naman. You can fill it. Because I have access to this drive. If you want, you can tell me. It's here. Dito mo simulat. Okay. Wait a minute. Before you ask me questions, meron din ditong sample submissions like ito kay Stacy, yung, di ba may recording siya?
Opo.
Ito yung niya, self-intro script niya, andito yung certificate. I also need your photo if you have one. If none, yung dati. What else? Okay na yung mga ID, etc. Tsaka yung mga booth. Meron na ako dito self-intro. Dito. Ito yung, meron ka ng sensitive issues, di ba?
Yes,
so, what you learn from me is 4 and 5. So, maybe you can skip this for now. You can start first with ito. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Pababa ka dito. Pag tapos ka na dyan, let me know. Tapos, when you're done, ito isunod mo, ihuli mo na to. Kasi you learned that already. You were able to do it So, maybe ihuli mo na yan.
Okey po, te.
Dingtok to, Dingtok.
Apa.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Dingtok yan. Tapos ka na rin sa registration. Usually kasi yung ibang teachers, hindi mo na pinapa-register sa Dingtok. Pero tayo is registration muna ng Dingtok. Tapos demo. Before is we'll coach the teacher first, tapos tsaka mag-training.
Mag-register.
Okay, your question.
Yung po sa task card, TM, paano kapag wala akong master's degree? Bachelor's degree lang po, it's okay?
I did not mention you should have a master's degree.
Okay. Kasi yung nakita ko kasi sa task card guide yung master's degree, tapos tsaka dapat may
Then,
ganun et cetera. Prestigious university, parang ganun.
I think, the students love teachers who has worked in an international company, especially US, Canada, Australia, yan. If you can mention that, that'll be great. May ano yung call center experience mo?
Call center, US clients po yun, Tem, pero more on like, parang shopping ganun.
Shopping? It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter kung shopping. And then, don't mention you're from the Philippines. You can say you're from Asia. You can be mistaken as from Thailand or something like that. Or Vietnamese. Okay, I will stop the recording.